Good afternoon, dear children. Today I am here to send in the YouTube the grammar part of it from the textbook. That is a lesson beauty or the Beauty and the Beast part 1. Part 1 Beauty and the Beast. Remember part 1 exercise. Coming to the page number 106, we will first that true false we will go through. Which of these statements are true? Page 106. Remember, which of these statements are true? That one. The merchant had 3 daughters and 3 sons. Is it, what is that answer? True. Write there T, or you can write true only, no problem. Second B, the merchant stored only vegetables and fruits in his warehouse. False. Write there false. C, Beauty made tea for her father because he was thirsty. False. D, Jack agreed to go with his father. D, false. The merchant and his son found a castle in the forest. True. Okay. Now coming to the third, answer the questions about these lines from the play. Okay. That is I will do later, but you next you come. Working with the words you come. That writing answers we will do later because I have to send the video for you. That I will do later. Now you coming to the, what is that called? Working with the words. Find words in the story which have the same meaning as the following. Now possessing, that is meaning is owning. 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 And next is B, storeroom. That is answer is warehouse. Warehouse. WRE, then you write house. C, gimmick. Gimmick, that is trick. Trick, TRICK. D, ashes. Ashes, that is ashes. D, cinders. 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 Safe. Sorry, you have a secure there. Answer is safe. Answer is safe. F, hardship, difficulty. Hardship, difficulty. Now coming to the 2, follow these instruction and complete the crossword on the next page. So crossword, first one, coming to the this, what is that called? C. That crossword you can complete. You just see there and complete it. Understood? The name of the merchant's youngest daughter and rumbling. Spare, afford, treasures, commotion, ugly. These are the answers I told you. Now coming down, there is prefixes are there. Okay, prefixes are there. So down, see if you can add the correct prefix on un or dis to the following: happy, unhappy. Okay, agree, disagree, please, displease, appear, disappear, believe, disbelieve, disbelieve, allowed, allowed, disallowed, appoint, disappoint, clear, unclear, attached, unattached, satisfy, dissatisfy, honest, dishonest, able, unable, limited, unlimited, certain, uncertain, educated, uneducated. Okay. Now, these many things you have to write there only. Where your book, no? In that only write. Don't write in a class book. You write in the same book, okay? Textbook only you can write. Now, next coming to the page number 107, present participle there. So that is don't want, it is too early for you all. Now coming to the part 2, Beauty and the Beast. The part 2 you come. What exercise is there? Let us see. Page number 115. Page number 115. So direct you come to number 2. There. Page number 115. Who said the following? Who said the following? So, and it smells so sweet. So you know already guesswork. Who said that? Beauty. Beauty right there. Is he kind to you? Who said? Merchant. Merchant. Okay. Now, sorry, B you did not write, no? You first A, beauty, second B, who on earth is he? Who said that is Jack? Jack said it. Okay. C. C. Is he kind to you? Is he kind? The merchant. He didn't harm you, did he? Did he? Joseph. And mine. June. Shall I clear your plates away now? Beauty. Yeah. Beauty. Next, who might have said the following? Who might have said, hurry up with that cleaning, April and June. He was frightening to look at. The merchant says this to Beauty. The merchant said this to. Okay. Okay, second one. No, wait. The merchant, yes, correct. Third one. He treated me with kindness and love. Beauty. You are all invited to the wedding. Beauty. So, children, these are the exercise that now down answer the questions about this line from the play that leave. Coming working with the words, that is a match the columns you come. Okay. Now, match the column. Here some common phrases in English. They are split into two parts. See if you can match them. One is first one, again and again. Match that. Again and again. Second one, more or less. More or less. Then now and then. Now and then. Once or twice. Once or twice. Here and there. So here I am finishing this part exercise over. So everything is over. Now your work to study. Okay. Do it neatly, clearly, and write in this book only. Let it be. Don't write in the class work. That later on we'll see to it. So study well. Keep well. Do everything nicely. Okay. Bye. See you.